Good morning to all. How are you, children? I hope you all are fine. This is Science Introduction. Today we are going to learn a new topic. Children, should I ask you some questions related to your topic now? Children, can you guess me? We need dash to wash our face. Second is, we need to brush our teeth. We need dash to cook our food. We need dash to wash our vessels. We need dash to drink. Children, can you guess me? Who am I? Yes, children, good. This is water. Today, the new topic is water. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Water is a primary source of life. Water is one of the most important resources on earth. All living things like small organisms, plants and animals need water to survive. People use water for various purposes. Rain is one of the main sources of water. Children, a camel drinks 60 to 100 liters of water at a time and live without water for several days. A camel can drink 60 to 100 liters of water at a time. Okay, ஒரே டைம்ல குடிக்கும். And live without water for several days. World Water Day is observed on 22nd March. When is celebrating World Water Day? Yes, World Water Day is observed on 22nd March. Then now let us write. Observe the picture and fill in the blanks. Okay. We need water to wash our face. We need water to brush our teeth. We need water to cook our food. We need water to wash our vessels. And also we need water to drink. Now, name any 4 activities which you can do without water. Name any 4 activities. Okay. Read, write, play and run. Without water, to do the things. Let's see about potable water. Drinking water is known as potable water. Potable water is water that is good to drink and useful for food preparation. Potable water should be free from dangerous chemicals. Then transparent. Third is odorless and colorless. Free from bacteria which cause diseases. Let us learn now. Potable water should be free from dangerous chemicals, transparent, odorless and colorless, free from bacteria which cause diseases. Different sources of drinking water. Can you tell me now? Different sources of drinking water. Water is available many natural sources, but not all the water sources are suitable for drinking. Water should be boiled to kill the germs in it, and only then it is suitable for drinking. A few sources of water are rain, well, river, lake and stream. Water should be boiled to kill the germs in it. Then and only it is suitable for drinking. After boil only, boiled to kill the germs. Sources of water are rain, well, river, lake and stream. Rain says spelling R-A-I-N rain. well, W-E-L-L, well, river, R-I-V-E or river, lake, L-A-K-E, lake, and stream, S-T-R-E-A-M, stream. More to know, each person the earth requires at least 20 to 50 liters of clean and safe water per day for drinking and other activities. Each person on the earth requires at least 20 to 50 liters of clean and safe water per day for drinking and other activities like bathing, cooking, drinking, gardening, washing clothes, washing vessels, washing domestic animals, and also these are all uses of water.